Hello, it's Diwan, and I appreciate you taking the time to explore this product review. Do you want to grow your email list faster and easier than ever before? Do you want to collect leads from social platforms Apple and Amazon users with a touch or click? Do you want to get verified emails and sync them to your autoresponder automatically? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need Leadono. Before we delve into the details, I want to mention that if you're interested in having your own personal internet marketing coach to guide you towards earning up to $10,000 per month online, check out the first link in the description. Now, let's get back to the review. You can purchase the product through the second link in the description at any point during this video. And as a special incentive, I'll be offering 3 exclusive bonuses that can catapult your success. Bonus number 1. 12 free tools to put your digital marketing business on autopilot. Discover how to save countless hours and skyrocket productivity with 12 hand-picked digital marketing tools for automation. Streamline social media, content creation, email marketing, analytics, and more. You'll get access to digital experts' favorite automation tools when you use my link in the description. Bonus number 2. Free traffic strategies for 2024 step-by-step training video. Ready to unleash the power of organic traffic? Get instant access to our comprehensive video library and discover game-changing strategies for boosting your website visibility and conversions in 2024 when buy through my link in the description. Bonus number 3. My guide to scale your TikTok to $100 a day. Discover the underground techniques top TikTok creators use to rapidly scale their accounts and monetize. This step, Bob. Step training reveals insider strategies to explode your views, followers, and engagement. Implement our proven blueprint to consistently drive over $100 a day on TikTok with smart content strategies and conversion tactics. No prior experience required. Our systems work for anyone willing to take action. Join the top earners on TikTok today. These bonuses, freshly released and available only through my link, could easily be valued at hundreds of dollars, but I'm providing them to you absolutely free to help you maximize the potential of the product and boost your success. I'm here to elevate your game, so let's get started. Upon purchasing the product, these bonuses will be automatically delivered to you inside Warrior Plus or JV Zoo. Let's dive into the review and enhance your journey to success. Building an email list is the most important business asset that you need to succeed online. But it is also extremely hard if you do it in the old way. You have to deal with low opt-in rates, fake or mistyped emails, and complicated opt-in forms that turn away your visitors. Not to mention the hassle of integrating your landing pages with your autoresponder and tracking your conversions. That's why we created Leadono, a groundbreaking tech with smart to-do technology that finally allows you to effortlessly capture verified emails with just a touch or click and grow your list virally on autopilot. Leadono natively supports a large number of autoresponders with direct integrations, as well as Zapier to integrate with almost any autoresponder you want. Plus, it has a built-in and incentivized referral traffic system that helps you spread the word and get more leads. With Leadono, you can easily capture people's emails from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon with a touch or click. No more typing, no more faking, no more typing, no more fake emails, no more low conversion. Just verified emails from real users who are interested in your offer. And the best part is, you can sync these emails to your autoresponder account automatically and start sending them your campaigns right away. Leono also allows you to use great-looking landing pages, special links for subscribing right inside social platforms, or embed lead capture buttons directly on your website or blog. You can also customize your landing pages and buttons with your own logo, colors, and text. And you can track your results with detailed analytics and reports. So what are you waiting for? Get Leadono today and start growing your email list like never before. Leadono is currently available for a special one-time price, But this offer won't last long, so hurry up and grab your copy now before the price goes up. And as a bonus, you will also get the agency license that allows you to use Leadono for your clients and charge them for your services. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss this opportunity. Click the button below and get Leadono now.